happens, you just don't want to see it, but how does the stupid baby fall out of the nest?
Yeah. He's a little gun shy. Trying to hide it.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, man.
Oh.
There it is, folks. Think about that tonight when you're eating your cheeseburgers.
What chicken?
Yeah.
So ketchup is better than... Oh, there you go.
Oh. They ate the whole thing. It was about to.
That's from history.
Well, there goes a baby. What are they doing? Dad.
Off the leg, too.
The blood.
Not much meat on that leg.
Oh,
Bones and everything. You don't waste anything.
oh, he had the whole thing.
That was bones and all. You see that?
Yeah.
He's not done.
Le bébé passage, voilà. Voilà la pub. Soyez seul avec votre mère, sinon elle sortira le monstre qui est en elle.
Soyez gentil avec le temps.
He's not done yet.
Oh, that little bird fell over the tree and he's eating them.
Okay, is he done now? They're like, no.
Stick your arm out, Chris.
Well, he already ate it, so I don't know what they're talking about. They're trying to fight it. They want to fight
Stick your arm out. See if it'll fly to your arm. Mac, that thing will pick you up. Yeah, it was one of their birds.
I want to see him fly off.
There, I'm going to attack you very soon.
What is it doing?
He's looking for something else to eat.
Yeah. You're the smallest one here.
Yeah.
Oh, Max, you better gather. Don't worry about
He's looking for the smallest one here, Max. Oh, they ate the bones and all. That's crazy.
Come and eat me. He's got to be done. Just standing over there. What's he doing? I think he's done.
Waiting for another one to fall out of the tree.
Does he want the mother or something?
He's looking at me.
Must be. Maybe it's wounded or something.
There is winter.
He was just looking at me.
It's gotta be done or something. It's gotta be done.
Maybe he's in the eggshell or something.
Oh, where's he going now? He's looking for a good place to...
He's probably looking for more.
Ooh, that guy tried to...